In an emergency, a building must be evacuated quickly, and fire must be stopped from spreading to other rooms or neighboring buildings. That's where fire compartments come into play, and you can rely on Promat's dedicated expertise in fire compartmentation. The building's function determines how fire compartments are laid out. For instance, each floor should be divided into compartments and subcompartments. While building codes vary from country to country, some safety demands are universal. Stairwells are always treated as protected fire compartments, built without flammable materials to ensure a safe escape route during an emergency. Even during the design phase, protected escape routes are carefully planned. These routes, including corridors, stairwells, and lobbies, guide occupants safely out of the building in an emergency. Depending on the type of building, the roof may also require protection to prevent flames from spreading to other parts of the structure or neighboring buildings. At Promat, we offer a range of solutions to meet these requirements, using our trusted Promat boards. Where structural steel sits on a compartment line, boarded encasements maintain compartmentation. We also offer a wide range of solutions for fire-resistant partitions and walls. Our partitions are built using standard lightweight construction methods. Promat H, made from calcium silicates, cement, and additives, is ideal for use in damp or humid environments such as bathrooms. Promat solutions can incorporate fire-resistant, screwable hatches for shafts, making inspection and maintenance of services simple and safe. Ceiling protection is one of the most complex aspects of fire safety, often requiring a balance between compartmentation and structural protection. One solution is a ceiling membrane, also called an independent ceiling. This system provides full compartmentation without relying on surrounding building elements, like this hanger system, which both protects and separates the steel structure. Alternatively, you can choose a combined system that uses parts of the existing structure to help meet fire performance requirements. In many cases, fire protection can be achieved with a single, directly fixed board layer, optimizing both safety and available headroom. We pride ourselves on design flexibility. For example, we also provide fire protection above the ceiling line. This is one of the most demanding challenges in compartmentation design. Our self-supporting ceilings are engineered to contain fires caused by building services, such as electrical cables or ductwork, which often run above suspended ceilings and remain out of sight. But hidden doesn't mean safe. With decades of experience across the most complex projects, Promat offers the right solutions to complete your building's fire protection. Whether you're renovating an older structure or designing something entirely new, we're here to support you with expert guidance in fire safety, and especially when it comes to effective compartmentation. Because a fire compartment isn't just about stopping flames, it's about containing smoke, enabling safe evacuation, and helping fire services do their job safely and effectively.